Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best pool winter cover for above-ground pools, the Winter Block Winter Pool Cover, designed specifically for 24-foot round pools. As the winter season rolls in, it's essential to protect your pool from debris, rain, and the harsh elements. The Winter Block Pool Cover ensures that your above-ground pool stays in top condition throughout the cold months, so you don't have to worry about cleaning or damage when the warmer months return. With its superior strength and durability, this cover can withstand even the harshest winter conditions, protecting your pool with ease. The Winter Block Winter Pool Cover is made of laminated polyethylene sheeting, woven with thick, high-density polyethylene stitching. This design provides excellent tensile strength and makes it incredibly durable. It's treated for resistance to damaging UV rays, which means that even after exposure to sunlight, this cover will maintain its strength season after season. The lightweight nature of this cover ensures that it's easy to handle during installation. The package includes everything you need: perimeter grommets, a steel cable, and a winch, allowing for a hassle-free setup. One of the best features of this pool cover is how well it keeps out debris, rainwater, and even melted snow, ensuring that your pool stays clean and ready for use once the weather warms up. The cover's dimensions are designed to fit a 24-foot round pool, and it measures 27 feet in diameter, making it a perfect fit without any issues. What sets this cover apart is its longevity. The Winter Block Winter Pool Cover is built to last, with an 8-year warranty that reflects its exceptional construction. This cover offers peace of mind knowing that your pool is well protected, even during the harshest winters. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-install winter pool cover for your 24-foot round above-ground pool, the Winter Block Winter Pool Cover is the perfect choice. Whether you're new to pool maintenance or a seasoned pro, this cover will make your winterizing process smoother and more efficient. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get yours today. That's it for today's review on the Winter Block Winter Pool Cover. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more honest, straightforward product reviews.